Hey everyone, good morning. Hope you're all doing well today. It's early, so I'm getting ready for work, but I don't have my light turned up all the way, so it's a little bit dimmer, just a little bit. But I don't know, in the mornings I don't like the bright light, you know what I'm saying? Like it's right now it's 6:13, which isn't like super early, but I don't really like just having like super bright lights in my face this early. You know what I mean? Just like really loud noises. I just don't love really loud noises this early. But I'm just getting ready for work and I wanted to make a very quick video just to update you guys and let you know how I've been. Um, I have been busy. Yeah, busy is the word. Um, I haven't gotten to film much for here, and to be quite honest, I haven't really known what to film for here, anyways. I don't know. I feel like I just haven't felt called to really film much of anything. Haven't really gotten any new makeup. That's because I just haven't really had a lot of money to go spending on makeup. Um, I've kind of been thinking like maybe I should go back to getting the Ipsy bag like I used to get. I liked it a lot when I used to first get Ipsy, but after a while, yes, I'm using a Kleenex to put this toner on. I used to love getting Ipsy because it was fun just getting something like different in the mail every month. And I didn't care, that it was big, packages or if it was little packages. Didn't really care. And then for a while, I used to get BoxyCharm. You guys remember BoxyCharm? And I used to get that, and they were more like fuller size products. But I don't know, a lot of them I felt like I just wasn't really using them. So yeah, I don't know. I've thought about maybe going back to Ipsy just to get like something fun and be able to try out some new things. Because honestly, here where I live, where my house is, there's not like a ton of stores necessarily close by that have a lot of makeup or like skin stuff. We have like, of course, Walmart and there's like a grocery store, but there's just not really a lot of like Target. I have to like go to Target when I'm in town. And then what else? I mean, Walmart does have some good makeup, I will say. But at the same time, I also like, I don't know, I just think a lot of the makeup that is in the drugstore now is overpriced. And it's like, I don't know, they're charging like pretty much, I don't know, like Ulta prices for stuff that you can buy in like Walmart or Target. I think it's just crazy. It's just makeup in general has gotten to be very, very expensive. And sometimes the products you're getting, they're not all that. So I've actually surprisingly been wearing less makeup on the weekends. I mean, I still wear makeup to go out, stuff like that, but I wear less of it on the weekends. And I don't know, in a way, sometimes I feel like my skin does better when I give it a break. But I just haven't had any new makeup, so I haven't made videos about makeup because I haven't really had anything new to really show you guys. And I think Ipsy's still a thing, isn't it? Do people still get that? I don't know. I have not gotten Ipsy in a really long time. And the only subscription box that I get right now is Scentbird, which, I mean, eventually when I get tired of Scentbird, I'll get rid of it. But right now, I just kind of wanted to try a lot of new fragrances. And so that's why I've kind of gotten Scentbird, to be able to try it out for a little while, you know. I'm on and off with the Scentbird. But yeah, I've been keeping busy. Just, I feel like my mental health has been kind of in like a weird place. Not a bad place, but like a weird space. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because I feel like there's a lot of things that are like kind of, I don't know, not really outside my control, but I feel like I don't have a lot of control over them. And sometimes it stresses me out, like things about work or just all kind of things in general. But I guess that kind of stresses me out, so it, you know, my mental health is in a weird place. That coffee is good. By the way, I've gone back to using the Pixie by Petra Brightening Peach corrector for a while. I didn't use it. And I've kind of gone back to using it, especially if I'm not really doing a lot of makeup that day and I wanted to correct my under eye area. I feel like it blends in a little bit better than concealer does when you have minimal makeup on. And I like Pixie Beauty anyways. I like it a lot. One, the other. It looks a little bit better, right? This lighting is also really dim. But yes, I hope you guys have been doing okay. I just haven't really gotten anything new to show you guys. I decluttered my closet a few weeks ago. I guess I could have filmed that, but I mean, it wasn't a massive declutter or anything. And I haven't decluttered my makeup because I don't have anything to declutter. I've decluttered all the ones that that I didn't want or need anymore. Haven't really got a lot of new clothes either to really do any kind of video on like clothes. And I don't know, you know, I've been working on my podcast, which is going really well. But I guess, I don't know, YouTube is just so weird anymore. Like, even when I get on there to just look for something to watch, like videos, it's hard anymore to even find something I really want to watch. There's a couple people that I really like their videos and I tune in for most all of the videos. But some of the stuff is so repetitive. It's a lot of just the same type of things, and I think YouTube is just kind of just digging itself into the ground with all these sponsorships and advertisements and commercial things. I just feel like I find it really hard to find something to watch on there. And even just getting on there, I used to get on YouTube and feel inspired when I got on because I saw what other people were doing, and you know, made me feel inspired, like, oh, you know, this is a great video idea, I should do that. I don't even get that anymore. I just get on and I see these same videos over and over again. And people might think that about my channel, and that's totally fine, but I don't know. It's just, I don't feel inspired when I get on. Not anymore. I used to, but now it's like so repetitive again. So yeah, that's kind of where I've been at. Other than that, I've been doing a lot of projects around here. I have an older, I'm gonna say, bicycle that I've been trying to restore so I can be able to finally ride it around. It's like a old beach cruiser, and my parents found it in the trash in their neighborhood, and picked it up off the side of the road for me. And I've just been kind of removing old paint off of it and basically doing stuff like that. Doing stuff around the house. We've had like an issue with ants again. That seems to happen a lot because I guess, I don't know, they built the house on top of ant colonies. I don't know what they did. But that happens a lot. So we've been dealing with the ants, getting rid of ants. You know, my car has had a light that's been coming on that I've been trying to investigate and figure out how to get rid of it. See what I mean? Nothing exciting. You guys are not missing out on anything. I've not been doing anything exciting. Literally just living my life every day, trying to just get through the days. And I think that's why I've been keeping so busy. I think when I keep busy, I think less about, you know, things that are stressing me out. And so that's why I've been keeping so busy. I've just been trying not to think too much about things. And I think that is something that's like my coping mechanism, is that when I start to feel stressed or I start to feel like something is bothering me, I start to just start doing things, and I start to keep busy. And I think that's like my coping way with stress and just being stressed out about something, is just to keep so busy that I don't think about it, which isn't necessarily healthy because you're not really dealing with the issue. But I guess that's the only way that I've ever known for as long as I could remember, and especially as an adult. But yeah, today is a Thursday, and I'm gonna go into work today and just get this day over with, go home. My husband's actually off today because he has a dentist appointment, so he is sleeping, which is why I'm not talking super loudly, even though I'm not anywhere near the bedroom. But I think that looks good, right? Yeah, I think that looks okay. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video to update you guys, let you know how I was doing, let you know what I've been up to. Just kind of talk with you guys, that's all. And it's not going to be a super long video or anything, but just kind of wanted to let you guys know where I was at. And I do want to film more videos because my podcast is actually at a point where I feel like confident about, you know, posting on there. So I'm not having to spend as much time figuring it out. I've kind of figured it out to the point where I want to be right now. So all is well with that. And I'm definitely able to do more now on my YouTube channel. Would you guys be interested in fragrance reviews from Scentbird? Because I do get Scentbird, and I do like doing fragrance reviews. I used to do some fragrance reviews. I just know fragrances are expensive, and not everybody can afford to buy new fragrances, myself included, which is why I get Scentbird. On the rare occasion that I might have like a fragrance I can find online for cheap, I might buy it. But overall, fragrances are expensive, and I didn't know if that's something you guys would be interested in. But please let me know if you are, because I can start doing those. And I don't know, let me know what if there's anything. Like, I don't love doing vlogs because I feel like I don't really have a very exciting life. I don't, literally, guys. I don't know. I don't feel like it's worth vlogging, but you guys let me know which videos you prefer best. And then I can maybe focus more on those things. All right, I think I got my eyebrows done anyways. I'm gonna go and make some food here in just a minute. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. If you haven't already tuned into the Midnight Brew Mysteries podcast, I'll leave some links down below. And just let me know how you guys are doing, and if you're doing okay. Let me know, if you'd be interested in the fragrance reviews, or what's other things that you would be interested in. And yeah, I'll probably see you guys in my next video. So thank you for hanging out with me a little bit this morning, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.